The circular economy is a strategy to maintain the value of material as long as possible. In today's video, I will explain you about circular fashion system. My name is Arpita. I am a sustainable fashion designer and stylist. I'll help you understand fashion to build a sustainable wardrobe. The circular economy minimizes the waste and the resources used. It is the alternative to the present mindset of taking things, using them and throwing them away. When we maintain the value of our clothes as long as possible, recycle, reuse, upcycle, still use them in some form and then send them to the nature in a friendly way is called circular fashion. COVID-19 has brought the fashion industry and many others to a halt. Factories have been forced to shut down and brands have cancelled orders, resulting in unused fabric at various stages of the supply chain. At the same time, longer time spent at home has led many people to declutter their wardrobes and sell their second-hand clothes online, as seen from a rise in the thrift community. If you just go back to your childhood, you will remember your mom or your grandmom stitching up those loose threads on your clothes, making blankets or soft beds for newborns from old saris. That mindset is all about circular economy system. Both consumers and fashion brands are rethinking the way they treat fashion. Many businesses are considering adopting circularity to strengthen supply chains, while consumers are questioning their wasteful habits. If you want to know how to stop your impulse buying, I have a very useful video, link is in the description box. If businesses can use this opportunity to replan their business models to deeply integrate sustainability, they could lead the world towards a more circular economy. Likewise, as consumers, we can adopt a mindset of keeping the clothes for long, repairing, swapping, and creative upcycling to keep our clothes out of the landfills. This way of using the products, be it clothing, electronics, furniture, utensils that you have in your house, is circular. If we just look at fashion industry or look at our own fashion habits, our mindset is I will buy clothes, use them for some time, then throw them away to buy new clothes again. Even worst is when we don't even think of giving away old clothes when we are buying new clothes. We keep stuffing our wardrobe with new garments every time. To be part of this circular system, we can do our bit by valuing and taking care of clothes we already own, shopping less, choosing better, only buying clothes that we love 100%, going for high quality clothes that are durable, buying vintage or second-hand clothes, if needed, rent your clothes, supporting ethical brands that work hard to keep the circular system going. If you are a person who is throwing away the garments in the bin, those garments are definitely ending up in landfills, ruining the earth. Now imagine a situation where you buy a garment from a brand that follows a circular fashion system, use that garment for many years, then upcycle or give away that garment to a person who values the garment and wears it for years to come. You buy clothes only when you really need them. You are a star. You are using less new material, contributing less pollution, preserving the natural resources. Finally, you are protecting our nature from the fashion waste. Instead of blindly chasing trends, the concept of circular fashion is the idea of prolonging clothes' lifespan and creating long-lasting relationship with them. A circular fashion system and reduced fashion waste is possible when you make small changes in your habits. By definition, it is about the careful designing, sourcing, and production of apparels. with the intention to use them responsibly in society for as long as possible. The circularity concept applies to the entire life cycle of a product, starting from textile production to clothing production, dyeing, processing, distributing, customer usage, and even reprocessing and recycling options at the very end of the product's life. Let's all make the best use of this troubled time to start moving towards circularity in the fashion industry. If you are planning to donate your clothes, click on the screen to watch where your donated clothes are actually going. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.